for Ain't the Most Turf to Win, Museum Delphin 1. And yes, I have mastered the carbon roller. I've been so annoyed by the carbon roller so much times in the past, but now I have mastered it. No idea. As you plainly see, I obviously mastered the carbon roller. I feel sorry. See, the trick to the carbon roller is that because the flip is so fast, you just need to get up there, up close and personal. And because it's a roller and it goes super fast, that is a no problem. Another team? Oh, I saw someone. Oh, there it is. That was not one of us. And then jump over to this guy. And jump through walls, apparently. Nope. Yes! Double kill! I have mastered the carbon roller. Never mind. Whoa, my gosh, that guy's right next to me. Woo! And I was first on the team! Yay! Exactly 1,700 points. Alrighty then, time for Ain't the Most Turf to Win, Salt Spray Rig! Oh my gosh, Microwave, stop beeping. Microwave, I know you're finished. Stop beeping. Microwave, be quiet. Surprise! If you want to see them hate him, you're rolling. Be quiet, Microwave. I know you're finished. Microwave. I'm not sure if the recording can hear that, but be quiet, Microwave. Someone's been here. This wasn't here before. I got my eyes on you. No! Okay, I guess I haven't. Guys! Behind you! There you go. I'm out here. I'm gonna... Ah! I died. Because, you know, you see me rolling. You got the drill, I hate him. Be quiet, Microwave! I know you're done. You want to come and fight me? Get sniped! Hello? No, I'm done. I know that guy wasn't trying, but whatever. I'm gonna call that victory. Be quiet, Microwave! Microwave! Microwave, stop! Microwave! Be quiet! Hello? Is that you? I was like, and what? That guy, no, what? That guy just does not care. He's just like, you know what, I'm gonna go first while you guys stay here. Yo, that's crazy. This is the first time that has ever happened to me. Same color, instantly best friends. No! Stay back, stay back, stay back. Yes! Yeah. I thought I killed him. Oh, there's an E-leader right there. Hello, E-leader, is that you? I'm coming for you. Woohoo! Jump through a sign. He's like dead. He was trying to kill me, but I didn't let him. Hello, catch me if you can. Oh no! That E-leader is really looking for some kills. Oh no, I'm being tracked. Oh, they see me where I am. They can see if I'm... Yeah, I died. Oh, rip me. Alright, Rainmaker, make a rain, hammer, make bridge. Let's do this. It is green or greenish, I don't know. Versus purple. Okay. Wow. Ah! They're really going for it. Trap them. I got one of them in my sight. Whoa, that was so close. And what? The thing went right through him! What? Hashtag squidlings or ghosts. Where are you? Where are you? No, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I'm going to trap him. Okay, we gotta stay back when it explodes. Or maybe it won't explode, who knows? Yeah, it's not gonna explode! Yes! I killed 2 people apparently. No, I was I'm going to leave it at that. You know, I'm done. I'm done. No more.